you, man.
Oh, it's got no wheels.
Oh, what's that?
It's got no wheels.
Yeah, no, it's just an 80 coming off.
But wouldn't it fall in?
So you do have to be careful to not make it fall in.
Oh.
So when it's full, it's alright. It's kind of got enough weight to kind of hold on.
Oh, yeah, but normally when they're heavy and they hit the hopper, they slip.
Yeah. I'm yet to lose one.
Hey?
I'm yet to lose one.
Oh, yeah.
So just like that, and then careful not to hit those bits. Don't make it a whirl.
That's a cool system.
Yeah, just like that.
Oh yeah, and it slots into there.
Yeah, and you can put like 4 or 5 caddies into it.
Oh yeah. Does Lisa's truck have the thing as well?
Lisa's?
Yeah.
I think they're about to add it on. I'm not too sure.
They said Lisa's definitely got it because her thing's like all broken.
Yeah, it was really broken, yeah.
Did they put a white spill shield on hers?
Oh, did they?
No, did they?
Oh, I'm not too sure.
Oh.
You seem to know more than I do.
Yeah.
Awesome, so you happy?
Yep, thank you.
All good, you have a good day?
Yep, good.